word, my lord.
Huh. Okay, fine.
My lord, my submission is simply five-fold, my lord.
Five-fold. Oh, yes.
First, at the outset, my lord,
Hmm.
at the stage of FIR, the petitioner is not arraigned as an accused. The allegation is simply that he's taken back a question back to the house. Even accepting that, that would only be negligence and not an intentional act. In order to have satisfied section 420, 415 ought to have satisfied. 2024 SEC Online 339.
Yes.
Now they say that for 415 as well as section 24 has to be satisfied. There is no gain at the behest of this accused. Accused number one, I don't dispute. However, when the very purpose of why this question paper was being set is not disclosed, or what exam it is being prepared for is not made out, only on
Not made out. Why should they make out?
my
You know what question paper are you supposed to set? You know what you have taken home. You know what the key answers you carried home. Why did you carry everything home?
My lord, I have not carried the key answers home, my lord. What the allegation against me is that I had a draft book where I have handwritten 1,500 questions. In this case, my lord,
Okay, why did you do that?
that, my lord, I do concede is an act of negligence. However, even at the case at committee center, they subject me to scrutiny at point of entry and exit. They even burn the other rough paperwork. Subject to that scrutiny, they have let me go. Even DE has been quashed, my lord. My lord, out
DE has been quashed. Suspension is.
the suspension, sorry, suspension has been called and DE has not commenced at all.
It's not yet commenced.
And then now he is retired also, my lord. Whatever promotion also he was due was not granted owing to the pendency of this criminal proceedings. And then, your lordship,
How many folds are over? How many folds are over?
4 folds are over.
Only
Last,
one fold baki. Inyavadu.
which is that the examination results were never annulled.
Oh.
They released the
So you wanted the students also to be put to jeopardy.
No, your lordship. However, there should have been some legal injury that for which reason they must have instituted this. If it was the case that the question paper was definitely leaked, then legal injury should have happened to, if not accused number one or other persons who other complainants. No such person came forward with the same. Against this petitioner, there is no gain, there is no intent. And there is definitely no allegation of conspiracy. It's only, even from the CW5 statement, who's my daughter-in-law, she says very clearly. ಅವ್ರು ನನಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ಬುಕ್ಕಿನ 4 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇನ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಅಂದ್ರು ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು?
That is because she was my PhD guide. She had been frequenting the house. She had built familiarity over a course of from 2015.
All this a matter of trial, madam.
My lord,
how can I interfere here?
However, against this petitioner, my lord, there is no prima facie satisfaction of any of the ingredients that have been alleged.
Not in such cases. Not in cases of malpractice or whatever this question papers.
It is not that I have leaked the paper. The only
It's all right.
allegation was I have taken it back home. It's not that I have
Why did you?
That I do concede, my lord, was a negligent act, and at best it.
Suspension quash ಆಗಿರೋದು criminal case ಗೂ ಏನು ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ. That's all right.
I do understand that. However, my lord.
That is, its order is here. That is on non-application of mind.
Yes, yes. But there is no gain to this petitioner, either pecuniary or otherwise. If it were the.
Is that a consideration to quash? You tell me.
It's for consideration of satisfaction of prima facie ingredient. That is my.
You argued so many cases. Is that a consideration to quash?
Sanctity of the exam.
Yes.
Sanctity of the examination.
No, sir. Today in the entire country, there is a problem because of this. Not because of this exam, of the kind of things that happen. Discharge ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಹಾಕಿ.
It is posted for framing of
charges. Oh, framing of charges, discharge.
21st. If I may be permitted to take instructions with regard to this.
Whatever you want. Tuesday?
Yes.
List on Tuesday. I will not interfere. Yes.